Good morning, class. How are we doing this morning? Good morning. Oh, God. On a Friday, we're all bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. All right, today we're going to learn how to quarter a chicken. You're going to need to know this for your midterm. Let's first go over the body parts. This is basically our chicken. We have our wings, our breasts, leg, thigh, our backbone, which we're going to remove the rear end over here, and the neck area. All right, that's what's over here. This we're going to take off. Now, we're going to do this like so. We're going to hold our chicken between the thumb and the forefinger, and the first finger and the middle finger. We're going to sit it on the board. This way, when we cut out our backbone over here, on both these sides, okay? Take that right out of here. When we put the knife along these edges, okay, it will actually come out easier. When you put the pressure on the knife, because it's sitting on the board, it'll cut through easier. All right, we're gonna first cut the near side halfway, so it's still attached, and we'll cut the far side all the way, and it looks like this. Now, when I put the knife in, I'm going to use the first third of the knife. I do not want to saw it back and forth. The last thing you want to do is put holes in the breast from the inside going too far forward. All right, so we're going to just cut it down like that, go to the other side, put it on this side of the rear end, and cut it all the way. Again, on this side to finish the cut, pop that out. Here, we're going to cut this by putting it right down the middle. Notice the breastbone. It hasn't calcified yet. This means it's a very, very young chicken, roughly about 12 weeks. Put knife in the middle, and you're going to rock it back and forth like that, cutting it straight through. Stock pot over here. All right, now we have to get these pieces separated. Breast area here, leg, thigh here. What you're going to do is find the tip of the breast over here and cutting it on an angle. You'll notice a light little fat line over here. And we're going to put the knife right along that line from the tip over here of the thigh by the tip of the breast. Do not cut it across. You'll take too much of the breast off. Lift up your little wing, place the knife on the angle, tip of the breast here, and the top of the thigh here, cutting it in half, like so. This gives us our two pieces. Again, need to do the other half, same way. Tip of breast, top of thigh, putting it on the angle, lifting our wing up slightly, and cutting through it. All right, this is basically how we quarter the chicken. What we're going to do now is create an airline breast with the bone in. Bones are still in this. What we're going to do is take off this wing segment right over here. The easiest way to do that is first see how the wing is moving. When you move it back and forth, you can see it right in the joint where it is. What you're going to do is just place a little cut on an angle, just like that. You'll notice how the head separates out from the ball and socket joint. You're going to put it right along the head, just cut right through it like that. This is the piece you're going to need for your midterm. That there, the airline breast bone is in. Take off that little fat piece over there, don't need it. Again, one more time on this side. You're going to notice where the wing, where it moves over here. Let's move it away from the other breast. Don't want to cut it. Right there on that little angle. And you're going to push it out like so. You can see the head emerge right here. Ball and socket joint right there. Again, knife in, cut it. So to recap, we have our legs for another dish or another application. And we have our breasts over here for our midterm to be roasted off. And we have our stock pot At this piece, these pieces we'll use for a stock pot over here. That ends the quartering of a chicken demonstration. Thank you very much. Let's go make one.